This tutorial will assist you how to get device drivers for Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows editions. We are recording this video on a Windows 11 laptop, but the process is pretty much the same for Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. We don't recommend relying on Windows updates for downloading and updating device drivers. Device drivers installed by Windows updates do not work properly. The best, safe and free way is manually downloading and installing device drivers. After clean install Windows 11, or other Windows editions. If Wi-Fi or Ethernet works, and you are connected to the internet, you can download device drivers from the official website of your brand, and model free of cost. You need to know the brand name and model number of your device. To download device drivers, go to the Start menu, and type System Information, to find the brand name and model number. Open the System Information from search results. Here you can find the manufacturer name and model number of your device. Go to Google, and type brand name and model number, and add word drivers at the end. For example, Lenovo X230 drivers. We recommend only Google to search for device drivers. Pay close attention to the results of your search. You should only visit the official website of your brand. Make sure you don't open any websites from third parties. You may be tricked into installing harmful and unnecessary programs through third-party driver download websites. On the download page, you can choose between manual and automatic options. With the automatic option, you have to install a small utility that will scan your device for missing or outdated device drivers and then provide you with the list. We are going to use the manual option. It is possible you don't find your required Windows version in the list. In that case, choose the predecessor version of Windows. Let's suppose you need drivers for Windows 11, but Windows 11 is not listed. Choose Windows 10, and download your required drivers. They mostly work. Choose the operating system you need drivers for. We need device drivers for Windows 11. It is now possible to download the needed missing drivers to update your outdated device drivers. We hope this guide has been useful and informative to you. Hopefully, this quick tutorial has managed to help you get device drivers for free, the safe way. Use the comment box for your questions, suggestions and feedback.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.